All right, guys, we're back out here at the home range. We're gonna do a little move and shoot here. So I'm just gonna pull from concealed like I'm out in the world, rack off as many rounds as possible. The scenario is two guys with bazookas are right there, and they're trying to steal my truck. Okay, so my truck is great. Okay, so here we go. We got the timer going here. That. And obviously, you want to stay far enough back so you're not doing a bunch of moving like this. So I want to be right here. And hit it. Not bad. Didn't no warm up. Just straight up just came out here and said, how am I going to do this right here? So we'll take it.